Tade jati, tannai jati. The Kathopanishad states God walks, he is mobile. Tannai jati, he is immobile and stationary. Anoraniyan mahato mahiyan. The Shvetashvatar Upanishad states God is subtle. He is so tiny, he is smaller than the smallest. Because he is all pervading. Now people say we found the God particle, that tiny little particle. But actually, God is tinier than the God particle, the Higgs boson, because he is energizing the God particle by sitting inside it. So God is sukshma cha tat sukshmataram vibhati. And vrihacha tad divyam achintya rupam. He is also bigger than the biggest, so big that he absorbs all of creation within him. He is akarta, the non-doer. Anantaschatma vishvarupo hyakarta. Shvetashvatar Upanishad says akarta. Na karomi swayam kinchit srishtyaadikamaham shiva. Lord Krishna is saying, the Srishti Sambandhi work is done by Shiv and Vishnu. I don't do anything. But the same Lord says, Maya dhyakshena prakriti suyate sacharacharam. I control Maya and create the world. So he is akarta, he is also Srishti karta. He is Nyaya karta, the dispenser of justice. In the Bhagavad Gita he says, Samoham sarva bhuteshu name dveshyosti na priya. Arjun, let it be known that I don't have any biases. I am beyond all prejudice. Name dveshyosti. Neither do I hate anyone, na priya, nor am I particularly kind to anyone. I am equitable. But in the second line of the same verse, he says, Ye bhajanti tumam bhaktya maite teshu chapyaham. If you engage in my devotion, I will reside in you and you will reside in me. Now, he is becoming biased towards the devotee. This is the nature of God. Who can comprehend him? Even his material energy, Maya, is so glorious. See, we have nowadays emails. And prior to that, now, in today's terminology, it is called snail mail. But before the snail mail, they used to have kabutar mail, pigeon mail. You know, the homing pigeon, it has such tremendous faculties. If you wrap up the homing pigeon in a cloth and take it from here 1,000 miles away and release it with a message tied to its feet, it will head straight back to the window of the house from where it had been taken. The technology it uses in its head, I think that should be replicated by the GPS, etc. So amazing. And look at the technology of the aeroplanes. Can they outdo those insects? On a monsoon night in India, under the lamppost, you find 10,000 insects flying crazily without any accidents happening. While aeroplanes are known to have had accidents. But even more astonishing is the bat. The bat is not able to see. It just uses radar technology. You may have had this occasion when a bat comes flying and you think, oh my God, it's coming straight for me, and it diverts. It's radar technology tells us there's somebody in front, move in this direction. All this is the material energy of God. Beyond that is Yoga Maya. These contradictory attributes in his personality are made possible by Yoga Maya. That is why Valmiki says, Maharaj, even the biggest geniuses, the Nobel Prize winners, etc., they can also not lay claim to knowing you. But there is one way to understand you. And what is that way? He will tell us next.